Hi, I'm Chris. I'm the Organizational Development Specialist at Ucraft, and here's my 1-minute take on the importance of onboarding. Getting a new hire started off on the right foot isn't just giving them a tour of the office and sending them on their way, or just because the IT guy has given them all their accesses and passwords, they can just start working. A new employee now, more than ever, needs to be onboarded, but there are many companies that lack it or just simply avoid it. So, why is onboarding so important? Onboarding is where a new hire is physically, emotionally, and professionally incorporated into its existing culture and processes of the organization. It also showcases the company culture and demonstrates its vision, its mission, its values, and its unique characteristics. A good onboarding, over time, reduces turnover and increases retention. When it comes to making a good first impression, remember, you're not the only one looking for potential here. The employee wants to know if the company he chose is a good fit for them. Now, more than ever, you need a good onboarding process.